Hello guys, so today we are going to see the demonstration of a MBA project report, a study on customer perception towards goods and service tax in Chennai. Goods and service tax, GST, integrated GST and integrated service tax was applied recently for all the goods and services in India recently. So in this project we are going to discuss about the customer perception towards the GST, whether the GST is useful for customer or whether the GST is a burden for the customer. We are going to discuss, and this is the abstract. So here you can see this study focus on customers' awareness of customers towards GST and their expectation from the implementation of GST. So here we are going to discuss the plus and minus of this GST. Okay, so this is the abstract. Let us start the demonstration. So this is the report. The complete project report is of 65 pages. So we start with the abstract, and these are the list of content as usual. So the chapters was given from 1 to 5, starting with the introduction, literature review, methodology, data analysis with conclusion. So this is the format of the project. So these are list of tables and list of figures. Abbreviations. So here the chapter 1 starts with the introduction part. So the introduction part start with chapter 1.1, research background. So the research background clearly describe about what is GST, when the GST was implemented, what is the purpose of GST, everything. And the 1.2 statement of the problem, 1.3 need for the study, objectives and scopes, deliverables, and chapter 2 starts with literature review, research gap, chapter 3 with methodology, research design, type of projects, target responses, research process, and the flow diagram of this project. And coming to the chapter 3.4, assumptions, constraints and limitations was given. The sampling methods was discussed in chapter 3.5, and chapter 3.6 about data processing, what are the primary data and what are the secondary data was given here. So basically this project was done using questionnaires based and the percentage analysis method. So coming to the chapter 4, data analysis and interpretation was discussed. So these are all the surveys. Actually the total respondents will be like 125, and there are set of questionnaires which was asked from the respondents, and based upon the answers we did this analysis and interpretation. So these are all the analysis and interpretation with the tabled data and represented in bar chart. So for example, we see one question. So here that table 4.1.18 GST is not necessary since increased price ranges. So here a question was asked about the increase of price ranges because of GST. So the sample rate of 125 people, 20 people responded strongly agree that cost was increased depend on GST, and 40 people agree yes it depends on GST. 36 people will be neutral, and 19 will be disagree, and 10 strongly disagree. So from the overall 100%, the maximum percentage is 32 percentage of people was agree that GST is not necessary, and 28% people will be the neutral one. So like this, the interpretation was written for that survey. The above table shows that 16% of respondents are strongly agree, 32% of the respondents are agree, 28% of either agree or disagree. And depend upon this flow chart, a bar graph was designed. So this is how this percentage analysis method will be processed for all the questionnaires. And this is the chi-square analysis, and this one is correlation analysis. And coming to the final chapter, the fifth chapter is conclusion. The conclusion includes a summary of findings, suggestions and recommendations, and 5.3 will be the conclusion, directions for future research. So this is the end of the report, and this is the questionnaire. So the questionnaire includes around 6 normal yes or no questions. Overall 27 questions was asked from the sample persons. So based upon the respondents details, the percentage analysis was done, and these are all the final references and journals. So this is the complete project report. So actually this project was developed for an Anna University based student. So if you are from different universities and if you have different formats, we can also modify this project. And this project includes overall of 65 pages. Generally MBA project should be come around 65 pages. So if you require these type of projects, of if you need a support for making a project report, or if you want plagiarism check, or if you want to publish a journal, or if you want to write up a journal, so any type of service if you require, you can contact us. Our executive will respond 24/7. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get regular updates about new projects, new trends, and new methods of approaching a project. Thanks for watching. Bye.